The Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch in waterfall blue with platinum accents is a sleek and versatile wearable that blends health tracking with smart functionality, designed to keep you motivated, informed, and in control of your wellness journey. Featuring a lightweight, modern aluminum case and an intuitive touchscreen AMOLED display, the Versa 4 is crafted to be comfortable for all-day wear, whether you're in the gym, at work, or asleep. It comes with both small and large band sizes in the box, ensuring a snug fit for virtually any wrist. At its core, the Versa 4 offers a deep suite of health and fitness tracking tools. With daily readiness score, the watch analyzes your activity, heart rate variability, and sleep patterns to tell you whether your body is ready for a workout or if you should focus on recovery, making your training smarter, not harder. The built-in GPS allows you to leave your phone behind and still get accurate distance and pace stats for outdoor walks, runs, hikes, and bike rides, while 40+ exercise modes offer dedicated tracking for a wide variety of activities, from strength training and HIIT to yoga, swimming, and more. The watch features 24/7 heart rate monitoring via Fitbit's PurePulse technology, delivering real-time feedback, resting heart rate trends, and detailed heart rate zone analysis so you can optimize your training intensity. It also offers SpO2 tracking for blood oxygen saturation levels, skin temperature variation, and respiratory rate monitoring, giving you a holistic view of your body's performance and overall health. Active zone minutes help you track how long you're in fat burn, cardio, or peak heart rate zones, promoting more effective workouts. One of the standout features of the Versa 4 is its advanced sleep tracking capabilities. Each morning, you receive a sleep score based on your time in light, deep, and REM sleep stages, as well as overnight heart rate and restlessness. These insights help you understand your sleep quality and how it affects your overall wellness. You can even set smart alarms that gently wake you during the optimal sleep stage. The watch also includes stress management tools, such as guided breathing sessions and a daily stress management score, encouraging you to maintain emotional and mental well-being. With up to 6 days of battery life, the Versa 4 minimizes charging interruptions and is ready to go when you are. It supports fast charging, delivering a full day's power in just 12 minutes. The smartwatch is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and showering. Notifications for calls, texts, calendar events, and supported app alerts keep you connected without needing to check your phone constantly. For Android users, the watch even supports quick replies and voice replies to messages.